Shall we start? Join your hands. Close your eyes. It's the anthem, okay? It's the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, open your eyes. Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Yes, ready for the breathing exercise? Ready? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Vishank, you are blowing in my face. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, children. Now ready for the warm-up activity? Shall I play you the song? Are you ready? Yes, stand up all of you. Yes. Ready?
What's going on?
Yes, very good, children. Wow, very good. Now shall we do our road counting 1 to 50? Yes? Yes, start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yes, very good everyone. Go inside, drink one glass of water and come back. Come on all of you, go drink water and come back. Yes children, yes Tilakar, go drink water and come go. Yes, you're not tired? Yes, ready all of you? Ready with your calendar? Ready with your calendar? Who is going to tell me the date today? Yeah, who is going to tell me the date today? Satvika, will you tell me the date today? What is the date, ma, today?
I'm free.
Yes?
I'm free, Anita.
What is the day and
I'm
date?
free.
Yesterday was 1 to 12. Today is 1, 3, 13. And the day is Thursday.
Go to class.
Thursday. Come on, color the date. 1, 3, 13.
Go to class.
Yeah. 1, 3, 13. And the day is Thursday. Good. Sarnika, good. Dhanvin, good. Good, everyone, good. Dikshan, good. Yeah, Kavyani, good, Kavyani.
Thank you.
Tilakar, what are you saying, Tilakar? Something you are saying. What are you saying? If you don't have a calendar, Tilakar, your mama is next to you? Your mama is next to you? You can take a A4 sheet like this and write the dates and days, year, along with the month. And you can ask him to color. Okay, Tilakar's mom? Okay, good. Okay, good. Next is very good, Siddharth. Good. Siddharth. Good. Pranita. Good. Ashmi. Good. Naitik. Good. Okay, everyone. Very good. Very good. Everyone good. Nukshita also good. Keep your calendars down. Now, shall we move on to the alphabet session? Yes? Yes. Today, ma'am is not going to say this is A, this is B, like that. Today, ma'am is going to tell you only the phonic sound. What I'm going to say? Yes, Naitik, what ma'am is going to say? Ma'am is going to say only the... Yeah, unmute and tell me, Naitik. Ma'am is going to... Yeah, ma'am is going to say only the sound of the letter, okay? Yes, are you all ready? Okay, I'm going to start now. Janavi, see here, ma. Janavi, see here. Okay, good. Now, no, should not say A. Okay, Janavi, you just mute. Mute yourself, Janavi. Mute. I told you to look at the screen. Okay, all of you look at the screen. It's very important, children. Look at the screen. A, A, B, K, D, D, E, E, G, G, H, H, E, E. All of you do the action. I'm going to say the sound. You all do the action. You know, right? E. Very good, Ashni. E. J. J. Yeah, good, Tarnika. J. K. Vishang, do the action, Vishang. K. Karthikeyan also do the action. Everyone do the action. Come on, K. Dikshan. Janavi. Do the actions, Janavi. K. L. Lick your lollipop.
Illa lollipop.
Mm. Mm. M sounds. Mm. 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 Okay? Mm. O. O. Th. 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 Qu. Q sounds. Qu. Yes? Nitek. You can write afterwards, Nitek. Next, Nitek is going to say what is the sound. See. T. 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 Okay. T. 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 Should not say it as T. You should say only the sound. Okay. Alright. Oh. Okay. Up goes umbrellas. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Were. What is the were action? Do the action. Let me see. Very good. Tarnika correct. Pranita right. Ashni right. Were. Don't know Nightingale? Were. Were. Okay, Janvi, good. Next is, what is the action? Come on, do. Take an X-ray. What is the action? Karthikeyan, come on. Yes? Next. Yeah. What is the action for yeah? Yeah. Okay, Kavyani, mute yourself, ma. Next is that. Yes? Very good. Many of you are doing the actions correctly. Others, try to do the actions from tomorrow. Okay, children? Today we are going to see a new concept. Before that, I want you to ask you some questions. Okay? Yes? What do we need for us to live? We need something to live, right? What do we need? Who will tell me? Nightek, you tell me, Nightek. What do we need to live? Yes? What? What do we need? You don't need anything.
Food.
Food. Very good. Okay. Very good. Food. Okay. Next, we'll say Karthikeyan. Tell me, what do you need to live? Nightik said you need food. Next, what do you need? Yes, parents, give them time to think. Parents, let them think and say. You please don't help them. Let them think, okay? What, Karthikeyan? Yeah, you need water. Very good. Next, we'll say Hashni. What do we need? Nightik said it's food. Karthikeyan said it's water. Then, you tell me, Ashni, what do we need? Yes. What? Yes? What do you need? Oxygen, air, right? We need air. Very good. We need air, water, and then food. Then what do we need? What do we need? Who will tell me? Dikshan, come on, tell me, Dikshan. Dikshan. Yes.
Light,
Vidyut, are you saying something?
light man.
Someone who is there? Please tell me your name and say. Diction. Yeah, tell me diction. Next, what do we need? What?
What do we need to use for it?
Light. Very good. What light? Mainly we need what light? Tube light. Very good. Sunlight. Very good, children. We need air, water, sunlight, food, everything to live. Okay. So likewise, plants also need many things to live. Okay, like air, water, and sunlight. Okay. So today we are going to see about germination. Can you see? Germination. All of you look here. Nitik, please get Nitik's pencil from his hand. Please drop your pencil, Nitik, please. Yeah. Germination. What concept is this, children? Diction, what is this concept? Germination. Okay? Germination means how a seed grows into a plant. This process is called germination. Okay, children? First, what you have to do? Have to take a seed and you have to sow it in the soil. Under the soil. Okay? When you sow it under the soil and if you pour water after that, in few days it will become like this. Can you see? Yes, a small plant comes out of it. Yes, with a small root, tiny root it comes out. And then after some days, it will grow like this. Can you see the difference, children? Here it is a small root. And here, see the grown up root here. And the plant has come up here, like this. Yes, can you see? Yes, next after some days, you can see the leaves coming out. Yes, can you see the leaves coming out? Here, yes. After that, it will grow even more like this. Okay, so it takes time from a seed then to a plant. Okay, for that what you have to do? You have to first take a seed, sow it in the soil and then you have to pour water regularly. Okay, like how we need food for our life, right? We also will be hungry, like that. Plants also will be hungry and thirsty. For that, we have to give water for them and sunlight. You should not keep inside your home. Have to keep it sometime in the sunlight, okay? When it gets sunlight only, it will grow nicely. Okay, children, do you understand? So, what is this? Germination. Yes, what is this? Germination. Now, ma'am is going to show you a rhyme of how a boy is growing a plant. Okay, are you ready to see the rhyme? Yes, ma'am is also ready. Wait, I'm going to press her now.
Growing, growing, little plant. So excited, I could dance. Just like magic, watch them grow. I love to watch our garden grow. Let's wrap our shuffle. Spread some soil all around so roots grow deep in the ground. Grow and grow, baby seeds. Grow up tall. Let's plant our seeds. Dig a hole in the ground. Plant your seeds and have them. Grow and grow, baby seeds. get hungry, yes they do. They use the sun to make their food. They grow baby seeds, grow up tall and happy. But when will the plants come out? Let's be patient, wait and see. One day they'll sprout up happily. Grow and grow, baby seeds, grow up tall as can be. Growing, growing, little blooms, so exciting. I forget, just like magic. Watch them grow. I love to watch our garden grow.
Yes, children. Did you all enjoy the rhyme, children? Yes, mom is going to come back. Yes. Did you all enjoy the rhyme, children? Was it nice? Yes, what did you see in that rhyme, children? One by one. What did you see? Come on, tell me what did you see in that rhyme? What the boy was doing? Yes, Tarnika, tell me what the boy was doing, Tarnika. Tarnika?
Growing plants.
Yeah, the boy is growing plants. What did they do first? First, what did they do?
Saye.
They prepared the soil in equal level. Very good. Next, who will say? Satvika, what was the next step, Satvika? Satvika? What did they put inside the soil, Satvika? Yes, what did they put inside the soil? What did they put inside? Seed. Yes, they put the seed inside and they poured. What did they pour over that? Yes, what did they pour? They poured some water, right? And then what happened? Yes, Naitik, what happened next?
Water.
Yeah, they poured water and after a few days, what came out?
Plant.
Yeah, small plant came out, okay? So today's worksheet is going to be this worksheet. D31, germination worksheet. Please be ready with the worksheet, children. Yeah. Can you see everyone? Can you see the worksheet? Yes, Vivan's mom, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you see the worksheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, children, take this worksheet and now you are going to number it, okay? First, sow a seed, pour some water. Yes. Next, number 2, a small root comes out of it. And third, a small plant, it will come out of it. It's number 3. 4, the plant, it gives some small leaves. Yes, and it starts growing. The 5th point. So what all we need for a plant to grow, children? Air, water, sunlight. Okay, what do you need? What the plants need to grow? Air, water, sunlight. You can see water here. You can see the sun here. Okay? Very good. Vivan, what do plants need to grow, Vivan?
पानी डाला तो
Yes, Vivan.
And the big and the game by paper.
Yes, what I say. Tell me, Vivan. What plants need to grow? 3 things they need to grow. What is that? Air, air, water,
and bigger.
greater, greater, greater. What is that? Bigger, bigger, or greater, greater? Something I'm asking you one question and you are answering some other question. Yes? Air, water, and sunlight. Okay? Yeah, okay. Okay, Vivan. Vishank. Yes, Vishank. What do plants need to grow, Vishank?
Yes, ma'am.
What plants need to grow? Tell me.
Water.
Yeah, I'll come now, ma. Wait, wait. Air, water, and you can see yellow in color. What is that in you? Sunlight. Very good, Vishank. Good boy. Zedi, are you doing your worksheet, Zedi? I think Tilakar has finished. Very good. Kavyani finished. All of you just lift your worksheets and show me enough. I can see everyone from here. Yeah, good. Finished all of you? Yeah, good, good. And the next worksheet is going to be our maths worksheet, okay? Finish all of you. Still 2, 3 hasn't finished. Come on, finish fast, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, next worksheet is going to be this one. It's D34 ERP. D34 ERP. D34 ERP. Be ready, children. Are you ready with the worksheet? Shall we start? Zedi, finish, ma? Show me your worksheet, Zedi.
Yes.
Show me, you've done? Yes. Show me, ma. Lift your worksheet and show me. You've written the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes. Yeah, good, Zedi. Okay. Yeah, now take this worksheet. It's D34 ERP. Yeah, good, good, Zedi. I saw. Yeah, take this worksheet, children. Yes. What do you see in this picture?
Sit.
Yeah, very good, Sai. Good boy, Sai Nitesh. Very good. Very good. Okay. Siddharth. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you tell me what can you see in this picture, Siddharth? Yes? Yeah, see here first. What is this? What these two children are doing? Can you see the arrow mark here? What these two children are doing? What can you see here? Yeah, think on your own and say what you see here. That's all. You can see a bird.
A bird got hurt.
A bird?
Got hurt.
What, ma?
Bird.
Loudly. Bird fell on the earth. Okay. What these children are doing there? See their faces, how it looks. Are they happy? They are very sad. Very good, Siddharth. Next, it's going to be Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan. Yes, Karthikeyan. Now, you tell me what Where they are taking the bird to? Where are they taking the bird? Yes, they are. See, they are taking the bird to a place, right? What is this place? Look at the screen. If you are not looking at the screen, I am not going to ask you anything. Come on, look at the screen and say, what is this place, you know? This place is a hospital. Yes, hospital, veterinary hospital, okay? They are taking the dog, right? Bird to a veterinary hospital, okay? And then here you can see who's this? Sorry, they are not taking it to veterinary hospital. They are taking it to the home and they are giving first aid for the bird. Sorry. They are giving first aid for the bird. Okay, see here, you can see all the first aid materials here. Okay, and then they are giving first aid for the bird and the bird became okay and it flew away. So now what we are going to do here is, children, we are going to number the activity which is going to be done first. So what will come first? Yes, Janavi, tell me which will be the first one. Janavi, what is the first action which took place here? Yes.
First lady.
Yes. First, which you will number one? Which will you number at one, ma?
Second one.
Which second one? Yes, show me in your worksheet and point it out. Which will be number one? Yes, which will be number one? Oh my God. That one, how will it be number one? This will be number one. First, they found out the bird, right? So, this will be number one. Yeah, very good, Kavyani. Bird fell down, no? That will be number one. And now tell me, Kavyani, which will be number two? They are taking it to home, right? Yeah, this will be number two. And then number three, what will be number three? They took it to the home and they are giving first aid for the bird. So that will be number three.
Number three.
Yeah. Okay, and finally, the bird is okay and it flew away. Children, all of you, mute yourself. I'll ask you one by one, okay? You finish the worksheet first. You wrote the number. You numbered it. Show me your worksheet. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who is writing for you? Kavyani? Are you writing? You're looking. Are you writing or is somebody writing for you? You are writing? Very good. Right, right. Yes, Nukshita, show me your worksheet, Nukshita. Yeah, good, Nukshita. Very good. Very good, children. Very good. Tilakar also good. Very good. Yes. Yes, Dikshan. Good Dikshan. Very good Dikshan. Zadi. Zadi finish? Yeah, Zadi. Good Zadi. Good girl. Okay, those who finish, very good children. Yeah, very good. First, number one is the bird fell down. The two children are taking to the home is number two. Number three is they are giving first aid to the bird. And four, the bird, it's okay now and it flew away. Okay, shall we move on to the next worksheet, children? Hope you all have finished. Ma'am is moving to the next worksheet. Is ready? Yes. Take your next worksheet. It's D35 ERP. D35 ERP. This worksheet. Are you ready to do it, children? Yes, can anybody tell me if you are ready? Naitik, are you ready? Naitik? Did you take the worksheet, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good, Naitik. Come on.
Yes,
Now,
Yes,
children, since you are ready, I'm going to start. Can you see here? Yeah, I'm going to zoom it. Yeah, see here. What is happening here? Yes, the crow, it took the bread from that girl. See the face of that girl, how she is? How is she? She is very happy. Yes, is she happy, Rohita? Tell me, Rohita, is she happy, Rohita? If someone snatches from your hand, if you are having a chocolate and if somebody comes and takes it off from your hand, yes, very good, Rohita. You'll feel angry, right? I can see it in your face. Very good. So you have to match the angry face. Yes, you become very angry, right? And next one here, Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan is there. Okay. Tilakar. What is this picture? Come on, see and say, Tilakar. What is happening here? What? Say properly. What is happening here? Yes, ma. Unmute and say. Unmute. Raining. It's raining. Okay, if it is raining, can you go out and play? Yes or no? You can't go out and play, right? So how will you feel at that time? You will feel very sad, right? So where is the sad face? Come on, match the sad face, everyone. Sad face. When it is raining, you will feel very sad, right? You can't go out and play. Yes? Okay, now, next. See, when it is raining, you can hear thunder. Yes or no, Vivan? Vivan is there? Come on, Vivan. Vivan?
dog.
Yeah, when it is raining, you can hear the thunder. When you hear the thunder, how will you feel, Vivan? When you hear the thunder, how will you feel? You feel scared, right? You feel very scared, Mama. I'm very scared, Mama. You say, right? So you have to match the, yeah, you have to match the scared face. Come on, go and match the scared face.
Make a scary face.
Scary face. When you hear the thunder, you'll be happy, children. No, right? You'll feel very scared, right? And then you will close your ears and all. Then Mama will say you should not go out at this time. Yes or no? Yes. So you have to match the scared face. And finally, Nukshita. Nukshita.
Happy.
Yes. Finally, what is this? The boy, he saw a butterfly. How will you feel when you see a butterfly?
Yes.
When you see a butterfly, how will you feel? Yes, how will you feel? Will feel happy. So you have to match the happy face. Yeah, very
Finish.
good. Finish. Very good, children. Very good, very good, very good.
Finish. Finish.
Yeah, good. All of you lift your worksheets and show me at a time. Let me see. Those are finished. Vidyut finished? Yeah, good boy, Vidyut. Very good, Vidyut. You did it by your own, Vidyut? Vidyut, you are able to identify the emotions and all? Yes? Yes, Vidyut. Say, are you able to identify the emotion? Okay. Okay, 1 minute, ma. I'll speak to Vidyut and come back, okay? Vidyut, show me the happy face. Let me see how you are showing your happy face. Happy face. In your face, in your face. All of you show your happy face. Happy face. Look at ma'am. Look at ma'am. Happy face. Yeah. Sad face. Sad face. Then angry face.
అప్పుడు మిస్ నొక్కి చేయి.
I'm very, very angry. Angry face. Vidya, nobody will become angry if you are like this. Angry face. Yeah, very good. And then scared face. When you are very scared. Oh my God, I'm very scared. I'm very scared of Tilakar. Yes, I'm very scared of Siddharth. I'm very scared of Vishan. Yes? Okay, children, this is the scared face. Okay?
put me up.
So, hope you all have done your worksheet. Yes or no? Yes or no? You all have done your worksheet. Okay, now all of you. Yes? Yeah, don't unmute, children. Don't unmute. Show me your worksheet first. Show me your worksheet. Lift and show me. Yeah, all of you lift your worksheet and show me. Sai Nitesh also. Yeah, smiling. I can see you smiling. Yeah, show me your worksheet. Yeah, good. Good, children. Yeah, good. Very good. Very good. Everyone good. Very good, children. Okay, children. A main information I have to give you. All of you, come on, sit down. Keep your books down. Listen to ma'am. All of you listen to ma'am. Come on. See, tomorrow is our Independence Day celebration. August 15th is Independence Day. It's an holiday, okay? So, we are going to celebrate it tomorrow. Friday, we are going to celebrate Independence Day. Okay, children? So, you all have to come in white color dress. What color dress will you come? You will come in, Tarnika. What color dress you have to wear? White color dress.
We were not able
Okay,
to live.
all of you should wear white color dress and come. Okay, children, will you all come in white color dress for Independence Day
Ma'am, we didn't
celebration?
hear you, ma'am.
You can't hear me?
Ma'am,
Yes? Who's that?
ma'am, can you repeat once again?
1 minute. Vidyut's
Vidyut's
mom.
mom.
Okay. Tomorrow is Independence Day celebration for us. Okay. So I request all the children to come
Okay,
in
ma'am.
white color dress. White color dress. All of you should
Okay,
be
ma'am.
only in white color. Okay, children? No color dress tomorrow. You have to come only in white color. Yes, Vishang? What color dress will you wear, Vishang, tomorrow? Yes?
What color dress you wear?
What color dress you have to come? Black?
White.
White, always playing this one. Okay, tomorrow you all will come in white color dress, and tomorrow we are going to do a craft also. For that, we need a A4 size paper, 4 color paint, green, blue, orange, another color, any extra colors if you have, white also you bring. Okay, so we need all these color paint for tomorrow's activity. Along with that, bring your glue also. Okay, if you don't have paint, you can use color papers. If you have color papers in that color also, orange, green, white, blue also we can use. Okay, children, do you understand what I'm saying? I've already, yes,
Yeah, ma'am, we can use sketch pens, no, ma'am, for kids.
yeah,
Otherwise, they
you
will
can
paint.
use. Yeah, I have sent you what we are going to do in tomorrow's craft. You can see in WhatsApp group I have sent it, and the required materials also I have sent. So you can just see how we
No,
have to
sketch
do.
pen, ma'am, sketch pen.
Sketch pens also you can use. It's okay.
Otherwise, she will be
Sketch
painting on
pens,
the wall.
crayons, paint if you have, you can use. Whatever you want, you can use. But the colors we need is orange, green, white, and blue. 4 colors we need.
Yeah.
Okay? And a glue for sticking.
Okay.
Okay, children? Clear? Are you all ready for tomorrow's activity and celebration? Yes? Okay, children. Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation. If anybody is having any doubt, you can stay or else we'll leave. Bye, children. See you tomorrow. Yeah, bye. See you tomorrow.